quick room tour of our balcony room on the Carnival Celebration, room 9240. I'm gonna get into the room, and you can probably tell all the lights are off, and it took us quite a while to figure this out. But if you just put your sign and sell card in this little doohickey here, then it will turn on all of the lights and all the power will come on. So I guess that's it, that people don't waste energy leaving the lights on while they're not here. Got a thermostat here as soon as you walk in, obviously on the coldest setting. Some closet space right to the left. Got a safe, some metal drawers, and another little drawer there for like shoes and stuff, some hangers. Another closet here, pretty much the same thing. Show you when we walk into the bathroom here. It's kind of a smaller bathroom, but it's really, really nice. And this is a really very new ship. So, oh, and they gave us a little cleaner if we wanted to get that out of our system while we're here. Not a plunger. I would prefer a plunger, but whatever. Toilet, some shelves, a nice mirror, shelves down there, some shelves, peekaboo down here. Hello. And shower, that's really nice, glass doors. This handle there. And I do definitely appreciate this little step there, because shaving your legs in a stand-up shower is, I'm not talented enough for that, to do it with grace. Our couch here, I believe that pulls out into a bed. Some nice artwork, our vanity, big giant mirror, more shelves, fridge, some drawers here. That's where you'll find your hair dryer. A little ottoman. I think this is cool because it comes with some storage space in there. Trash can. This is our bed. We opted for the king bed instead of 2 separate beds. But you can make this into 2 separate beds if you want to. Just a view from here. And this TV, which is awesome. They've upgraded the function of this TV a lot since we were on the Carnival Freedom in January. So I'm gonna do a whole video on the stuff that this does now, because it's like crazy. Definitely an upgrade there. This is a room to a door to a connecting room, but we don't know those people, so we're not gonna bother them. There's a Joshua. And this crazy door that I have not mastered yet in our balcony. Got a couple chairs out here, table. In our view, this is Miami. Haven't left yet. So yeah, excited to get going. Just wanted to give you a little update. Bye.